Hi, I'm Aaron Gillison, Director of DFAS Indianapolis. Like our teammates at other sites, DFAS Indianapolis employees are working hard to ensure both DFAS and our customers are prepared for audit scrutiny across our many diverse organizations. Today, you will hear from employees who participate in ensuring military pay expenditures are properly initiated, dispersed, and recorded. From the moment a soldier submits paperwork for a new entitlement, all the way to when that entitlement hits the financial statement, employees are ensuring the transaction is accurate and follows internal control procedures. I'm proud of my DFAS Indianapolis teammates for their commitment to audit readiness. Seeing their hard work firsthand has made me confident that DFAS will lead the Department of Defense in audit readiness and audit steadiness.
Hi, I'm Alan Leonard from the Defense Military Pay Office, located at DFAS Indianapolis. One very common entitlement we process for Army soldiers is called Basic Allowance for Housing, or BAH. An active duty soldier who gets married is usually entitled to more money for living expenses. To increase the BAH, the soldier will send us a completed DA Form 5960 with a copy of their marriage license, certified by a commissioned officer, along with their orders. These documents allow us to verify that the soldier is indeed eligible to receive BAH at the dependent rate. We also use a special calculator to ensure the amount of BAH is correct and the location is eligible. We code the entry into our system, Defense Mil Pay Office, or DMO, which feeds into DJMS, the military pay entitlement system used at DFAS Indianapolis. The next day, we go into DJMS and verify the transactions posted correctly. We then scan and upload the documents into the Corporate Electronic Document Management System, or CEDMS, so that all the supporting documentation is available for audit.
Hi, I'm Sheria Rickett from DFAS Indianapolis Payroll Certification. After the DMPOs enter the BAH paperwork into the Defense Joint Military System, or DJMS, we receive a summary of the soldier's total entitlements. To certify the information, we pull various end-of-month reports for DJMS that we use in a reconciliation spreadsheet. We do the reconciliation to ensure that the payments are balanced and accurate. Once we ensure the reports and spreadsheet balance, we enter the information into our dispersing system, the Stand Fans Redesign 1, or SRD1. The final step is certification in SRD1 by a certifying officer.
Hi, I'm Leonard Award from Dispersing. Before we can issue or disperse the payment, we make sure certifying officers are granted proper system access. This requires that we have a completed DD 2875 on file, along with the current DD 577 appointment document. After military pay operations inputs and certifies the transaction, we will reconcile the data within SRD1 and compare it to another system, the Operational Data Store, or ODS, to ensure the totals match and/or in balance. Dispersing also receives copies of the debit vouchers sent to the Federal Reserve Bank by Mil-Pay Operations, and these are used to verify the SRD1 input. Then, we release the accounting bridge file to Military Pay Accounting.
Hello, I'm Andrew Taggart from Army Military Pay Accounting. Because the Army Military Pay System, DJMS, and the legacy accounting system, StanFins, are not integrated, do not have a direct interface, we have developed a process to verify that payroll amounts are correctly recorded in the accounting system. To ensure data integrity and accuracy, we have implemented several internal controls for the process. For example, to ensure completeness, we compare the payroll data by entitlement with the payroll data by line of accounting to ensure that no data has been lost in translation between the tables. An additional important control in the process is validating that the summary level payroll amounts recorded in the accounting system and the financial statements is supported by detail level transactions. After the StanFin's accounting data is sent to the Defense Department Reporting System, DDRS, we compare the amounts from the field level accounting to departmental for each military pay appropriation. Completing these checks and balances supports the accuracy of our military pay data.
Hi, I'm Priscilla Wilkins from Departmental Reporting. We receive the expenditure and accounting data via the Defense Departmental Reporting System, which receives the information systematically from the accounting systems. We perform reconciliations and even more checks and balances, ensuring validity of the reports, such as reconciliations of funds dispersed and collected in the budgetary process with the data reported at Treasury. Management needs to sign off on any adjustments made to clear any reconciliation difference. After all internal control processes are complete, we produce the required budgetary and financial reports for our customers, who use this information to make important business decisions.